Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial channel once again. I want to quickly use this video to prove to you that the Rabbit network is legit and also tell you what the Rabbit network is all about. Let me open the Rabbit network. You see this is the Rabbit network and I have balance 229 Rabbit tokens generated. Yes, I was given 10 free when I registered. The Rabbit network is a new network, is a new cryptocurrency called Rabbit. Just like we have the Bitcoin, the Advance, and so on. This is how they all started. Now the Rabbit network is a new cryptocurrency coin. It's not launched yet, so now it's a time for you to generate free tokens as the token is not yet launched. When once it is launched, it will not be free. Those who participate in mining the Rabbit network token will not be selling it free. When you register and you use somebody's referral code, you'll be given 10 free token for the first time. But if you create an account without any referral code, you won't be given any free token. So check the video description of this video. You will see a link on how you will see a link to click to create an account, and also you will see my invitation code that you use to create an account. When you create that account, you'll be given free token. So rush now and start generating Rabbit network token for free. The token is legit, is very real, and it's not scam. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when we post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you. Have a nice day.